Hello, Lisa. Brad here. Here's the video I'm getting ready to send to you. With searching for your website, the only thing that would really come up is this area right here to the Chamber of Commerce. So I'm not going to use that because I think you guys are associated with Fraser from what I could see. Because I saw when I did look in there, I could see there's backlinks coming back to your company. So I'm going to use Fraser as your actual website. If this is wrong, please correct me. I can resend this out. Um, but I did also, and again, when I was looking for things, it brought me back to a web page on Facebook. So let's get right into this. I'm going to go over three different things. One is content, two is backlinks, and three is citations. Content is the amount of words that you have in your website. Okay. So the amount of words right here is what they go by to find keywords, word count, things like that. So I'm going to put you guys in here. It's called word count, and it tells us how many words you have on your website. So you guys have 1,006, okay, coming from Fraser, which is excellent, okay? I'm going to check out over here your competitor, and who I found there was Brams. Clicked on the wrong one. Give me a second here. Okay, Brams. So again, I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste. And again, this website thing is a free tool you guys can use yourselves. I'm just going to type in word count. So they have 336. So they need a little help. You guys could use a little help too, because Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your website. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go into a thing called Eris. However, this is not free. This costs me about $200 a month. But again, you're welcome to use like something like this to help build your web page as well. I'm going to go over here instead. Okay. So here, this area right here is called Mappets. You can see that you guys, Fraser's, I should say, is ranking at the #1 spot in Mapit, which is excellent. Down here is organics. Organics is the #1 place where people are going to come in and click. For example, this is probably the first person they're going to click on here. They might click on here as well, but your goal, Lisa, is to get up here in this #1 spot on the Mapits area, or I'm sorry, on the organic area, because you're already here, but your goal here is also to stay in this area. And again, you guys have 1,000, so you don't have that much more to go to keep Google happy. So you can see some others down in here, but so far I have not seen you guys. Go through here a little bit more. Here you guys are probably about 3/4 of the way down, and it's coming off of your Facebook page actually from Fraser's. So most people don't go into the second pages. Some do, but like I said, according to Google, the #1 spot is right here where people click, and this is the second spot they'll come to and click on. So again, your goal is to get right up here. About 500 more 500 more words would be great for you. With that in mind, by adding 500 more words, it's going to give you an opportunity to put in what's referred to as keywords. Keywords can also be hidden behind photos, so you have lots of opportunity to put a lot more keywords in there to help bring more revenue into your company. So what I'm doing is bringing up the keywords. So plumbing is a keyword because that's what it pertains to your business. You can see that's bringing about a volume of 200. Heating and cooling, heating and cooling. You can see just by changing things up a little bit here with an S on it, changes things out a little bit. Again, 200, 700. Plumbing and heating and cooling is bringing you the biggest volume, it looks like. Let's see about your competitors over here. They only have 3 organic keywords. And again, they've got the idea too. They're using keywords like plumbers and such, which is again bringing them volume to their website. As you can see here, they're getting 0 traffic dollars off of that. Where if we go into you and go back here, your keywords are bringing you approximately $439 per month. Okay. And again, your keywords, 38, bringing you a value of about $439. But with more keywords and more words on your website is going to make this come up significantly. Back here, this again, I probably should explain a little bit more. This is how I found who your competition was. And again, the reason I didn't use them because they're getting spam on me or so that's why I had to go with Brams. So again, what you need to do, more words, more keywords to get you here to bring in more revenue. Next, we're going to talk about backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink. I know that sounds kind of technical, but these links act like endorsements for your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. The more backlinks you have is the winner. You have about 571 backlinks coming at you. And this is where they are coming from. We'll go over to your competitor. They have 133. And again, these are people that are referring back to them, making them popular, just like in your area. Next, we'll talk about citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are exactly as they are shown per your Google business profile. So little things like this little comma, this little and, little comma here, those have to be in there if they're on your Google web page as well. So those are things to think about if you ever change up your website or anything, to keep things exactly as they are. I'm going to be closing out here now, Lisa. Again, you guys want to stay in this spot so I get more keywords in your website. I would add more words to your website because these people aren't far behind you right here. And Brams isn't that far behind you either. And again, you guys aren't even showing up on the first page here. So you want to be right here. So those are a few things to work on, Lisa. Okay, so in closing, if this information is useful to you, you're welcome to use it for free. It's a free gift to you and your company. Otherwise, I will be sending this video to an email. You can reply to me there on the email, or you can call me at 608 574 2784.